Hello, Chiyun Gina Aguilar is presenting the South of Korea. South Korea, officially the Republic of the Korea, is a country in East Asia, located in the southern half of the Korea Peninsula. It is neighbored by China to the west, Japan to the east, and North Korea to the north. It's the capital of Seoul, the second largest metropolitan city in the world, and a major global city. South Korea lies in a temperate climate region with a predominantly mountainous terrain. South Korea is now a full democracy, is a presidential republic consisting of 16 administrative divisions. It is developed country a high standard of living. It has the fourth largest economy in Asia and the fifth largest in the world. South Korea's flag description in a white with red top and blue yin-yang symbols. In the center, this is a different black diagram from the ancient I Ching Book of Changes in each corner of the white field. Korean dialect is the national language of South Korea. Hanbok is the traditional Korean dress. Nowadays, people wear it during traditional festival and celebration. It has many Germans like Dufu clothing, Zoromagi, and Geoffrey. So it is worn as semi-formal or formal wear. South Korea had the world's second fastest growing economy from 1960 to 1990. Korea's transformation into a developed country during this time was termed the miracle on the Han River, and South Korea was considered one of the four Asian tigers. The growth surge was initially considered achieved by paying low wage to manufacture labor-intensive goods. Aimed at export, its capital Seoul is one of the world's top 10 financial and commercial cities. And the richest region is Ulsan in 2007. Ulsan's GDP per capita was estimated at $58,665, lacking natural resources and having the smallest territory among the G20 major economies. The South Korean economy is the fourth largest in Asia and fifth largest in the world. Korea has been highly influenced by Buddhism and Confucianism. There are well-known Korean pottery and porcelain, like Baekja and Bonshu. Also, Korean tea ceremony, pansori, Sanchun, are popular Korean performing arts. Pre-modern Korea architecture may be divided into two main styles. This used in palace and temple structures, and this used in the houses of common people, which considered of local variation. Korean's ancient architects adopted the bracket system and is characterized by fast roof and heated floors called sundol. People of the upper classes built Seoul had a population of 9.9 million inhabitants. The Seoul of National Capital Area has 24.5 million inhabitants, making it the world's second largest metropolitan. The population has also been shaped by the international migration. Following the division of Korean Peninsula after World War II, about 4 million people from the North Korea crossed the border to South Korea. Korean history begins with the founding of Joseon in 2333 BC by Dangmu, following went through the Goryeo and dynasty as one nation, until the end of Korean Empire in 1910, when Korea was annexed by Japan after liberation and division at the end of World War II. The nation was divided into North and South Korea. South Korea is now a full democracy and presidential republic consisting of 16 administrative divisions. It is a developed country with a high standard of living. It has the fourth largest economy in Asia. The economy is export-driven with production focusing on electronics, automobiles, machine, petrochemical, and robotics. Bigger houses with tiled roofs. The roofs were elegantly carved and